Come and watch the grasshopper teach us something new today. Looking for a complete opinion writing unit? Be sure to check the description below to grab our paired differentiated lessons for stress-free planning. In previous videos, you've learned about the parts of an opinion essay and brainstorming an opinion. Throughout this video, you will learn all about writing reasons for an opinion essay. Let's begin. What is a reason? A reason is a general idea that explains why you have that opinion. It tells why you think, feel, or believe the opinion is true to you. It also helps to convince a reader that your opinion makes sense. Each reason begins a new body paragraph, so there should only be one reason explained in each body paragraph. Let's see this in action. My opinion sentence is rock climbing is a great way to exercise. Now I need to write my reasons. I will write why I think, feel, and believe rock climbing is a great way to exercise. I'll write them on an organizer. I think rock climbing is a good cardio workout. I believe rock climbing increases your strength. I feel rock climbing makes you stronger. I enjoy playing with the chalk at the rock gym. All of these reasons are what I think, feel, and believe about rock climbing. How do you make sure your reasons are strong? Firstly, strong reasons will relate and connect to the opinion. Also, strong reasons will explain why an opinion could be true. If a reason connects back to the opinion sentence, then it is on topic. If it does not connect, it'll be off topic. We do not want off-topic reasons. Let's see strong reasons in action. I will read each reason I came up with and see if it connects to the opinion. I think rock climbing is a good cardio workout. Yes, this connects back to my opinion sentence that rock climbing is a great way to exercise. I know cardio is any exercise that increases your heart rate. People's heart rates definitely go up when they rock climb, so it must be cardio. My next reason is I believe rock climbing increases your strength. This connects to my opinion since it explains why rock climbing is great exercise. Another reason I wrote is I feel rock climbing makes you stronger. This is on topic as it relates to my opinion sentence. The last reason I have is I enjoy playing with the chalk at the rock gym. This does not relate or connect to my opinion sentence. It has nothing to do with rock climbing being great exercise, so it is off topic. I will cross it out. Strong reasons will also be different from each other. Each strong reason must be a separate thought, feeling, or belief. Basically, reasons cannot be repeated across the body paragraphs. If each body paragraph has the same reason, then your opinion begins to fall apart. The reader may not believe your opinion could be true, and they will also get bored. Let's see this in action. Here are the reasons I have left on my graphic organizer. I think rock climbing is a good cardio workout. I believe rock climbing increases your strength. I feel rock climbing makes you stronger. Are all of these reasons different from each other? These two reasons are very similar. I believe rock climbing increases your strength, and I feel rock climbing makes you stronger. Increases your strength and makes you stronger are saying the same thing. Strength and stronger are similar words. Reasons that have synonyms like this prevents them from being different, which means they are repeated and not strong. If I was going to expand on these reasons, the examples would be the same. I want to avoid this, so I will cross one of them out. I now have reasons that explain why I have the opinion that rock climbing is a great way to exercise. My reasons are strong since they relate to the opinion and are different. Here are my final reasons. Rock climbing is a good cardio workout, and rock climbing makes you stronger. You're ready to get started writing your own reasons. Be sure to watch all the opinion writing videos to help you learn how to write a strong opinion essay. Thanks for watching our teaching video on writing reasons for an opinion essay. Don't forget to follow Grasshopper and shop our opinion writing units and products. Check the description for more.